you click on project and new print layout or Control P, then you name it as Topographic map of Port Harcourt and environment. And this is it. You have to set your paper. Let's say I'm printing with A3 paper. I'll change this to A3. Then I want this to be change it from landscape to portrait. Okay, and this is it. This is it. This is it. So we have to bring in our map into the new print layout. Don't forget the same way we did the previous one. This is it. You drag your map, you leave a little space for the north arrow. Then leave a little space at the bottom for the legend and other things. Legend, scale, and other things. This is it. What could be the problem? Okay, this is our map. So the next thing I'm going to do is like this. Next thing I'm going to do is to bring in edit our map. So we have to first thing, don't forget add frame. Then after that, draw your grid line. Click then modify grid. Then let's try check if 5 is going to work. Let's check 2 is going to work. So it's the 1. Okay, let's check 0.5 is 0.5 is going to work. Let's check 0.09. 0.09. I want more grid. 0.06. 0.05. Okay, I think this one is okay. 0.05. Then for the horizontal grid, let's try 0.05. It is going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to reduce it. Okay, I think it's okay. Next thing I'm going to do is to reduce the opacity of the grid, because this one we want the grid line to be visible. You understand? So we leave it as solid. Then this style, you double click on style, click on line, then reduce the opacity. You can see I have to reduce the opacity of the line. So it's the duty of the student going to the field to draw the line by him or herself using pencil. So I think 30 is okay. Then after that, we have to go back. The next thing we're going to do is to draw our coordinates. Click on draw coordinates. Um, I think we are not seeing it that clear. So then you change this decimal to degree, minute, and suffix. Let's see how it will look like. Let's change it to degree, minute, and second. Okay. I think we should leave it at degree, minute with suffix. Then the left, you change it from horizontal to vertical ascending. Then you change the right from horizontal to vertical ascending. I think we are done with this. So that's all for the grid line and coordinate. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw our scale. And the scale of this map is at 1:102,524. That is 1 cm of the map is equals to 102,000 meters on land. That is scale of this map. You'll be wondering why I got the scale. If you check the previous window, this is the scale. So the next thing I'm going to do before we draw the scale, let us write the name of the map first. Then this is it. This is it. Topographic map of Port Harcourt and environ. So after doing that, you scroll down the appearance, change this from left to center, change this from top to vertical center, and the font you have to change this to bold and increase the size. You can see it. Okay, after doing that, I want to also write down the statement scale at the bottom to form something like this. Then you write it 1 ratio as the scale on the map, 25 to 4. Then you change this to the appearance from left to center, from top to vertical center, and the font you increase it a bit. Okay, I have to adjust it. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to draw our north arrow. This is our north arrow. Okay, then you have to state that the arrow is pointing at north to give you something like this. Then north. Then change this from left to center, from top to vertical center. And this font, double click on it because I want it to be bold. Bold. Then you change the size. Okay, increase the size a bit. I think this is okay. So it's pointing at north. The next thing I'm going to do is to draw our graphical scheme. Then you come to this button down here. Then you draw it. This is our scale. Then next thing I'm going to do is to edit the scale. Then you scroll down under the item properties. I want to increase it. Then this segment, change it, increase the segment to the left first. Okay, and 2 to the right, or 1. Let's check it out. Or 1 to the right. Then this multiplier, label multiplier, let's leave it at 1. This 5. Okay, label multiplier is it. This is our scale. Now I didn't do something. I have to increase the segment. Okay, all right. So from this point to this point, when you measure it with the ruler, you're going to get a figure in centimeter to give you your, from this point to this point on the map, it means on the land is equals to 0.5 kilometers. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw our legend. Click on legend, then you start drawing it. Okay, this is our legend. I know we don't need most of the legend there, so you have to start deleting the ones we don't need and editing the legend too. Like I said, the ADM 2, 1 and 2, we don't need it. Start deleting all the ADM file, the contour, the reverse. Okay, change this to town. Then ADM 1, delete. ADM 2 is altitude, you don't need it, you delete it. Okay, I think we are done with this. Then you label it, you title it as legend. Legend. Then you bring it down to this point. Okay, I think we are done with our base map. This is our base map, which is known as the topographic map. So after editing the map, the next thing I'm going to do is to save our file. Go to layout, click on save project, and the name of the file is topo topomap or topographic map of Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt, and environment. Okay, click on save. So, if of course, we're going to print this stuff. You go back to your new print layout, you export it in the form of a picture, export as image, okay, JPEG. You set the resolution. This is at 300 dpi resolution. I think that is okay. Then you save it. So while we are waiting for it to load, I think we are done with the base map, the which is known as topographic map. So this is the topographic map of Port Harcourt and environment. And this brings us to the end of our video. And I think so far so good. With this video, you'll be able to create your own base map. And don't forget, for those that have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and maybe share to your friends that may be in need of it. Thank you, and God bless you.